This is just a quick video. Long story short, I'm gonna take these drones and, well, mostly the batteries to a recycling center tomorrow. And well, pretty much I'm stuck with 2 drones that didn't work. Long story short, pretty much these batteries are low quality batteries. They stopped working shortly after I got the drone. One of them doesn't even connect to a cable. The other ones were dead on arrival. This one holds only like half the charge, so the drone will only fly for like 2 minutes. This one works 5 minutes out of the 7 minutes advertised. And well, pretty much this drone will not respond. I mean, it can fly for like 2 minutes. After a while we just go straight down and we'll just keep bouncing against the floor, because pretty much it won't respond the commands to fly up. And pretty much well, this one sometimes it does the same thing, and I don't know, it's a very disappointing situation considering that this is $100 drone. And well, a lot of you probably have wondered, how come well, this product has a lot of great reviews on Amazon. It's pretty much because of this. They're offering extra batteries if you leave a great review on Amazon. But in the end, it doesn't really matter if you get a free battery or not if the quality of the batteries themselves are poor. Probably you're wondering how come I have 5 batteries, because the drone itself comes with 2. One of them I got them from a service center, and it was also dead on arrival. And I got this drone as a replacement after the vendor requested a video as proof of me showing them the drone not working, which I gotta give it to them. They did send me another drone free of charge, but then again, it doesn't really matter how great customer service is if the product itself is deficient. This is the competition. This is a $20 drone, and you know, the sad thing is that this one flies a lot better than this one that costs $100. And this is just a short video as a warning, because a lot of you might be looking for drones for your kids, for their birthdays, for Christmas, whatever. And long story short, this is not a good drone. So take this video as a warning, because I already tried with customer service. I already tried to give them the benefit of doubt, and this is not the drone that you're looking for. Thank you.